Hello guys, we're in Kubota tractor. We're gonna service our tractor. Our tractor is something problem. So we're gonna have to Love, your phone is ringing. I don't know, spam. Service. Right now somebody fixing it.
Leave this on here?
No, just let it dry. Working in a rope, but you have to take the tractor. Luckily it's running, we loaded up. Taking a tractor service, guys. There's a tractor, guys. Tractor, guys. Put in a service. There. Where's the Lawnsmoody? It's a Lawnsmoody Kubota service. Good. Hotter. Hot makes me. Ooh. Finally. Hot over my heart. Sunny day. Let's get this highlights. Okay, they're gonna unload the tractor, guys. Take in the shop, fix it up. We got problem. There's Tony, right there. What you got, love? So we go inside the office.
We can go in there.
I'm gonna go use bathroom.
Yeah, I'd rather rent that.
Yeah, they got service here, guys. You can bring all your equipment and take a service. They're professional to fix your Kubota, all kinds of machinery. And they can do also renting some equipment. They got much more equipment here. They have got a big shop there, mechanic. We go unload the tractor, our tractor Kubota LA 1065 MX 520. Tony.
That easy?
It's easy when you go on the Kubota place. Make sure we're gonna fix the tractor so we don't have any problem. Because it's very important. We use a lot of tractor working. Very useful. Right now they take it to the shop, guys. Our tractor. Right there. Big vlog. Where's your mouse, love? Right here, mouse.
Want me to set this in the back of the truck as well? You want to use a bathroom?
Okay.